Alignment looks good. Check the next one. This hub is aligned. How's the gear? Almost there. Securing the pin now. Good. Torque is at spec. Confirmed. Ready for the next. Alignment looks good. Pass the next module. Got it. Here you go. I'll secure the connections. Alignment looks good here. Here's the wrench. Hose is feeding through now. Securing it. Okay, bringing it down, guide it steady. Got it, aligning now. Perfect, lowering final inches. This connector needs tightening. Okay, that's secure.